Behind every smile, there is a story. This is a journey of health and confidence. Anya Medical beside you. Foshan Anya Medical Technology Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise focusing on the research, development, production, and sales of dental comprehensive treatment machines. In 2007, we embarked on a journey and worked together with excellent partners for the health of mankind. We focus on the field of dental medicine, bring positive changes to oral health. Our mission is to help treatments be more efficient and make patients healthier. Anya Medical is committed to the development of oral digital technology. Driven by wisdom and analytical technology, we strive to open up innovative paths for the oral equipment industry and contribute to the development of medical health. Anya Medical always adheres to independent research and development and product innovation. It has dozens of patents such as appearance patents, utility model patents, invention patents, software works, etc., forming core independent intellectual property rights. We integrate simple and efficient design concepts into product design. We not only pay attention to the appearance of the product, but also focus on improving the treatment efficiency of doctors and the user experience of patients for the uniqueness and competitiveness of the product. In the assembly workshop, Anya Medical has set up a digital factory, the use of MES and ERP management systems, parts procurement, full chain management of the production process of assembly and testing, achieved improved production efficiency, and product traceability, achieved accurate response and fast delivery. Our products are not only the crystallization of technology, but also a commitment and care for health. We continue to improve the quality management system, integrate high-quality requirements into every link of manufacturing. Our core components are equipped with advanced testing equipment. In the production process, from semi-finished parts to finished products, there are multiple testing processes. ISO 9001, ISO 13485 Quality Management System certification and SGS EU CE certification are the best testimony to our quality. We ensure that every smile is backed by a high-quality product. Anya Medical has a sound sales network and a professional after-sales team. There are more than 200 service outlets across the country, which provide strong guarantees for the supply and safe delivery of products. Our efforts and innovations have won global recognition. Our business covers more than 70 countries around the world. More than tens of thousands of hospitals and clinics trust our oral products. This is a high recognition of our global influence and an affirmation of our quality and technology. Adhere to the concept of focusing on only one thing. Do a good job in the brand. Bring more beauty to the oral industry, because every smile is our original intention. Walk with you to create a better future. Anya Medical.